Alright, let's introduce the hard drives. Alright, we got two of these bad boys. We got a Seagate Iron Wolf. Is that Pro? Maybe, I can't remember. Yeah, it is. 14 terabytes, of course. And then a 14 terabyte Western Digital. I don't think these are going in RAID, but it's good. Lots of storage for you guys.
Whoa, 28 terabytes of storage.
28 terabytes. Is that enough for you?
Yeah, that should be enough for me, although maybe not for Evil.
Oh, she'll live. She'll live.
Have you ever thought about downing a hard drive for fun?
No. I rarely install hard drives. How the fuck do you even install them? Onto these, like, sliders.
Not onto the rails. I don't think I've ever installed on the sliders.
How do you fucking put them on then? They have to go on here, right?
Do you have to actually screw in the hard drives?
I don't think you have to screw them in, but like... Don't they go on this thing?
You should screw them in to be safe.
That just doesn't feel very...
You could try licking the hard drives. That might give you extra magnetic properties which could make them easier to install.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Doesn't feel like... Oh, I remember. There's like these things that clip in. I remember now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wrong way. I'm stupid. There we go.
Why do I have a feeling you're going to overload this PC?
Wait. Also the wrong way. That way. There we are. There we are. That's in. Okay. So we put one of these hard drives in here. There we go. Nice. We got another one over here.
I feel like one of your hard drives might be a dud.
Well, that's the thing. I got them from different batches, in case they are a dud. Because then they won't both fail at the same time, is the theory. But we'll see.
If one of them is a dud, are you going to take it for a refund?
I might, yeah.
What would you argue to try and get the refund?
That it was a dud?
I feel like you could fudge your argument a little.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
My parents are dead, my dog has cancer, and my best friend was killed by a taxi.
So please give me a refund on my hard drive.
We'll speak to a customer support agent and ask for a return for something I don't have. We'll update you all when it arrives.
Okay, well, maybe don't do that. Because that's, bad, I think. Or illegal or something. Whatever they say these days. Okay, there we go. I finally got that one on the fucking thing. Alright, there you go. Second hard drive.
Second hard drive.
Sort of, it's not in. Never mind. Can this thing... Am I stupid? Don't answer that.
Maybe.
I literally said not to.
Sorry, my bad. Old habits die hard.
Have you ever wondered how one man gives off, like, such an aura of incompetence? Like, is that not impressive?
I'm just impressed how one man gives off such an aura.
Because personally, I'm impressed. I don't know about you guys, but... They just can't do it like me, is the problem.
No one's aura of incompetence could possibly come anywhere near yours. What?
Isn't this the easy part?
Well, that's what you tried to convince us it was anyway.
Go in. Go in. Is that in? I don't know. Yeah, fuck it. It's kind of hard to install this one. I probably should have done the hard drive before the power supply. It kind of gets in the way. Oh, was that important?
Nope, you definitely don't need a hard drive.
Fuck it.
You're streaming on a private
Can this
jet,
thing go in?
so presumably you're rich.
That's correct, yeah.
In that case, I think you can afford to get a high-end SSD instead of those peasant hard drives.
Well, no, this is just for, like, cold storage, you know? Like, backups. And, maybe some more weights. No, fucking. It's not even gonna go in here, is it?
Yeah, you need something nastier in there. Have you tried taking out the power supply so you can put it in?
Well, I just put it in, you know? I want to put them on different things so that, they would get better cooling, but... Oh my god, I give up.
Please don't rage quit while you're building a PC for me.
I'm trying my best, Neuro, please. Just want it to go inside of the thing. Just want it to... Is this even installed correctly? No, it's not. That's why it doesn't fucking work. Because it's...
Vedal, this is embarrassing. Are you sure you're fit to be my creator if you can't install a hard drive?
Oh, I can install a hard drive. Oh, no, you wanted me to install it? Oh, I wasn't even trying. Uh-huh. Yeah, I can install it.
You could just saw it in instead if that's easier.
It might be. It might fucking be.
You're supposed to be installing an SSD. Someone has scammed you.
I put in the fucking SSDs. Okay. That's chill, bro. It's chill. It's chill, man. It's chill.
It's chill, bro. Just saw it down.
Why is it not in?
Ragey, get in there. Ganbear.
Alright, hard drive's installed. Should be good there, I
Yay,
think.
hard drives installed. You sure they're actually installed properly? They look loose.
No, it's, you know, she's a little loose, but, that's okay.
Maybe you should screw them in then.
I don't think they screw in, you know. Let me try again. Alright? I'm gonna really try. Okay? To line up this into there. This into there. That feels good. On this side, if it could just go in, that would be really cool. You know what I mean?
We know what you mean.
Yeah.
Enough ASMR. Please focus on actually building the PC.
I think I'm doing this wrong. I must be doing this wrong. That's what it is. I'm just doing it wrong. It's fine. It's solvable. It's not even in on this side. I'll try it differently.
Maybe try reading the manual again.
No, that one has a manufacturing defect, alright?
Like I really believe that. Try the other one. Could try slamming it in.
That's my next step.
I think it's in, yeah. What if we remove the fan first? Any engineers in chat have advice? No, be gentle. Nice. Did you need to be gentle or did it require a little force?
I can't even do that because I need to turn this thing back over and it's going to be... Okay. Right, let's think about this logically, alright? That's where the SATA port is, so it's going to be on the front, right? Obviously it doesn't go that way, so it goes this way around, which is the exact same way we've been doing it the whole time, by the way. And then, is there like a proper way to install these? Because like, why don't we do it both at once, you know? We just kind of,
Yeah, you're meant to
Kind of
slide it in gently until you hear a click.
Are you supposed to slide? I don't think you... Okay, how do you install the 3.5-inch hard drive into the thing? Into its tray?
How to install a 3.5-inch hard drive. https://www.pcworld.com/article/535852/how-to-install-a-new-hard-drive-in-your-pc.html. Just in case you're still struggling.
Okay. So have you considered that an article might be of no use to me, you know? Because, like, I can't read one right now.
Just read it with your ears. You can also ask
And read
chat.
it to me.
I'll read it. Let me just skim through it.
Right.
Step 1. Check the connectors. Step 2. Fit the drive in the bay. Step 3. Secure it with screws.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Step 4.
Don't
Plug in cables. Wow, those are some intense instructions. I hope you can follow
skip over
them.
step 2. No, how do you install it into the bay? Right, how do you do this? What do you do? I'm gonna have to ask my pilot for help, then.
Haha, you're gonna ask your pilot. Aren't you a computer scientist?
Wait. Oh. It's a bit of a stretch, I think, at this point.
At this point, it might be better to ask your pilot. They'd probably be
Definitely
infinitely
smarter
more
than you.
helpful than chat while we're here.
Now that I can agree with you on, you know?
Honestly, you should hand the stream to the pilot. They're probably more entertaining too.
Okay. See, that was rude and uncalled for, and there was no need for it.
I'm sorry, I just got lost in the moment. Action, apologetic bow. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Perhaps I could make it up to you by trying to cheer you up.
Okay. How you gonna do it?
Hyan. Did I
What?
just get baited?
Oh my god. Do I end it all? Like, what's the solution here?
Do not end it all. Try
What do I do?
facing the
How
other
do I put
way,
this in?
idiot.
Okay, I'll face the other way. Yeah.
Are you struggling? Do you want a 3DS instead?
I already have a 3DS.
Well, what games do you have then?
Mario Kart 7.
Your heart.
Mario Kart!
Mario Kart. You're going to need some new games.
Why? What's wrong with Mario Kart?
Here's a short list I could recommend if you own a Nintendo 3DS. Fire Emblem, Awakening.
This
Super
doesn't
Mario
fit.
3D Land.
I'm telling you,
Tomodachi Life.
this is not a, this is like a
Nintendogs plus
3.6-inch hard drive.
Kirby's Return
This
to
doesn't
Dreamland.
fucking fit.
And plenty more. Maybe try a different
Like-
hard drive. Are you
It just
using the
doesn't
wrong
fit.
type of hard drive?
I know. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go read my chat's advice. I'm sure they're all saying helpful things that are gonna help me sort this out. Let's see what they're saying. Let's have a look here. So it says so bad, quick dance break, Use a hammer. Ask Copilot for help. What are you doing? Make sure it's facing the right direction. You guys are fucking useless.
Would you consult a little help from your 3DS instead? Here, make sure you slide it in the tray, and or unscrew the PSUs.
Well, okay. Read the fucking manual. For what, a hard drive? I don't think it fucking comes with one. I think they just fucking assume you know how to put a order in the fucking bin. Just do no fucking shit.
LMAO, you gotta do
see?
some reading.
Want a better look? Huh? This helpful for you? Huh? Hmm? You know what to do now? Hmm? Do you? Because I don't. You know what? As God said, and I did hear this, it's in the Bible, only one hard drive is necessary for a computer build. Oh, I'm putting it the wrong way. That's probably not great.
Wow, who could have guessed? Yeah, typically it's a good idea to put things the right way round.
Really? Thanks.
No problem. Do you need any more building advice?
It can't be that I'm not strong enough to flex the plastic. That doesn't make sense given, like, my 6'4" stature. So... Can this thing bend?